Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. We are installing the new straps for the rebuilt chairs, and this is actually going much easier than I thought it would. I'll do one and then get another and narrate the next one. What we've got going is it's a turkey deep fryer with about 6 or so inches of water in it, and I've got it on kind of low. I don't want it to boil. Right now it's showing about 180 degrees, so I should probably turn it down a little more. And I've got a few straps in there. They've been in there for a couple of minutes just to get them warmed up and pliable, and then we'll bring them over and clip them into the chair. And as I take a couple out, I'll throw a couple in and we'll go for it. And this is not very difficult to do. Take a strap out of the hot water, hook one side, get it in the slot, wrap it over, put my foot on the leg, stretch it out, wrap it over, get the tongue into the slot, nice and centered, keeping tension on it, stretched. Get the wrap nice and square and straight. Go back and correct the other one if you have to. The strap is installed. It takes longer to warm them up than it does to put them in. And here we go again. Get it hooked. Go around. Give it a stretch. Put some pressure on to hold it in place, leaving enough tail so you can work the tongue into the slot and maintain your stretch while you neaten up and finagle the end into place neatly. Another one done. And one more time. So that's 5 done, 49 to go. Okay, welcome back. For the last 2 chairs, I'm going to have a helper, and I really recommend having a helper because we have knocked out 2 chairs in the time it took me to do, or 3 chairs I think in the time it took me to 1 probably. So we're going to just run this through and show you just how quick it goes with someone to hang on to the chair. Okay, well, as you can see, it went really fast to put 4 straps on. And then also, they don't cool down so quickly that you don't have time to futz with them and adjust it and get them straight in the slots and get them where you want. It's not like you have to be really fast and quick with it, but there is a limited amount of time, so do the best you can to get them in the slot straight and set up.